Hi, I'm Yehani Kothalawala. I'm from Matale. I'm 23 years old. I did my A-levels in technology stream. I studied at Government Science College, Matale. After my A-levels, I joined Brandix Corporate Campus to follow College Diploma in Clothing Technology and Management, and also completed my diploma. We were selected BCC inspired internship at Brandix Essentials Ratmalana. Finally, after 1.5 years, now I'm working as a bulk merchandiser at Brandix Essentials Ratmalana. After my A-levels, I wanted to enter the apparel industry. One of my friends told me about BCC. Then I searched about BCC. Most of my friends recommended this program. That's why I joined the program. I believe following a program at BCC was the best way to enter the apparel industry. My life at BCC was a really good experience. In my first semester, I juggled many more new experiences. New lecturers, new friends, new living situation, new classrooms and new activities. There were a lot of new things. And also, I had not done science and math subjects in my A-level. So it was so difficult to me to do lectures at first. But my lecturers also helped me to complete my assignments, lectures and exams very well. So I was able to get highest marks for the science and math subjects in my first semester. And also, we got a chance to enter the factories to the second semester. Those are the experiences I gained throughout my college life. I started my career journey via BCC inspired internship program. It was a great opportunity for me because I could learn about overall department of the company. And also we could gain back-end factory experiences as well. My future plan is to be an expert in the apparel industry. BCC is the best place that pay your way into the apparel industry. The achievements I have achieved today because of BCC. By the age of 23, I have successfully completed my diploma and degree programs very well.